I'm here with my good friend Al from Mercury Floor Machines, our Director of Sales, and we're looking today at the Hercules by Mercury. Al, tell us about it.
The Hercules is like all the other Mercury floor machines. It's manufactured out of the highly polished aluminum. Gives it a great weight, so it's the right weight for the job. Just a great durable machine. Best place to start is probably right up here at the top. We can talk about how we're all UL approved. We have the safety interlock, so you have to engage that before you can engage the triggers. The handlebars and the triggers are non-conductive, so for your safety. The handlebars themselves, the grips, are a little bit longer than the competitor's product. This yellow area here indicates how much longer, and that gives you better control, better maneuverability of the machine. Working our way down, we have our cable. Most people call it a cord, we call it a cable. Much more durable. It's inevitable that in the course of the years that you'll have the machine, you will run over this, and we want to make it as durable and as resilient as possible. So heavy gauge cables are included.
What type of motor we got?
We have a 1.5 horse Imperial running at 175 RPM. We've just never have problems with these. I believe you were telling me it's 5 in the last 29 years?
29 years, yeah.
Pretty impressive.
Now I noticed that we've got this recess here for lifting, which is really nice. Here
Absolutely.
We're showing the 13-inch.
Yep, it's an unusual size. A lot of people don't think of floor machines in a 13-inch, but it's fantastic for small areas, restrooms in particular, where you really can get in there between the stalls. And
we use this particular model on stairs in Hawaii in the cleaning company. We do a lot of stairs and landings where you've got a small section and you need the power and the performance. Now it also comes in the 13 shown here, a 15,
correct,
17, 19, 20, and a 21.
Correct.
You know, really, what's the difference between this and the Boss, our one with interchangeable aprons?
Difference between the Hercules and the Boss is just what you said. It's the interchangeable aprons. This is a fixed apron, so you're buying a 13-inch machine and you're going to own a 13-inch machine. With the Boss, you get that extra versatility of you buying a 13-inch machine today, and down the road when you need a 21-inch machine, you can just
the ability to change it
call up and we'll ship you out same day.
So then the Hercules is really our top-of-the-line machine for those that know exactly what they want and are going to need a specialized size and are going to maintain that particular commitment to that size.
Absolutely.
As with all, we have a rapid replacement program.
Yep.
If for any reason you have any default when you go to power the machine, what you do is wheel it over to the wall, take this pigtail that we purposely produced this way, as Al's illustrating, put a extension cord on the end of the pigtail after having laid the machine down. 9 times out of 10, the motor will engage, so you know it's not the motor. If it is the motor, let us know. We'll send one to you overnight. Like I said, 5 and 29 years, we won't go there. But 9 times out of 10, it's something to do with the cord or where the cord interacts with the switch box. But normally it's after running over the cord.
Right.
So you call the heart of our heart of the house. You'll talk with a real human being, not a machine. We'll get you a UPS or a FedEx overnight in a box, another handle. And if you can show them, Al.
Absolutely.
To pull the handle out, you've got 2 little bolts here.
You remove these 2 bolts, you loosen your adjustment control and pull it out, put your new one in. Be careful when you open the box, because we're going to need you to ship the old handle back in that same box.
Great.
So, while we're at this angle too, it's important to point out our non-marring wheels, really smooth rolling, work great.
Yeah, and quiet.
Very quiet.
Very quiet. I think that's a big factor. I know working around hospitals and resorts. So, how about private branding?
Private branding is available. You can brand it up on the switch box with your company information, your customer's company information, however you want to do that. You can add color to the grips, the cable, the bumpers, and again labeling on the motor housing.
And how about minimum orders with private label?
12 pieces.
Got it. Got it. And of course, it's backed by Mercury's best warranty on the planet. it's a hell of a value. Anything else, Sal?
I think we covered it.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.